welcome back to Antique Hardware Supply, where craftsmanship meets history and every piece has a story. In today's video, we're exploring the pros and cons of reproduction versus salvaged hardware. Whether you're restoring a historic home or adding character to a modern space, knowing the difference can help you make the right choice. Let's start with salvaged hardware. These are original pieces, doorknobs, hinges, latches, and pulls rescued from old buildings, furniture, or fixtures. The biggest advantage? Authenticity. Salvaged hardware carries real age, patina, and wear that no reproduction can fully replicate. It offers historical accuracy and a tangible connection to the past. For restorers, salvaged hardware is often preferred when preserving period integrity is the top priority. Matching the original styles, materials, and construction methods helps maintain the historical value of the space or piece. But salvaged hardware also comes with challenges. Sizing can be inconsistent, screws and parts may be missing, and finishes may have deteriorated over time. It often takes patience to find matching sets or even usable condition. And if you need 10 matching cabinet pulls or a pair of identical hinges, salvage can quickly become a needle in a haystack hunt. That's where reproduction hardware comes in. High-quality reproductions are modeled directly from historic pieces and crafted with attention to period detail. They're ideal when consistency, reliability, and availability matter, especially for large-scale projects or homes that mix old and new. Reproductions are often easier to install. They're made to fit modern construction standards while still capturing the look and feel of antique designs. Plus, they're typically made with today's durability in mind, offering longer-lasting finishes and smoother mechanics. Of course, reproductions lack the one-of-a-kind patina that comes with genuine age. And while good reproductions are historically faithful, poorly made versions can look too modern or feel lightweight and mass-produced. That's why sourcing from reputable makers is key. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your goals. Salvaged hardware is irreplaceable for historical preservation and authenticity. Reproduction hardware offers convenience, consistency, and compatibility with today's needs, without sacrificing style. Thanks for watching Antique Hardware Supply. Whether you lean toward the charm of salvage or the precision of reproduction, we're here to help you find the perfect fit. Check the description below for links to some of our favorite period-accurate reproductions. And be sure to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we explore more of the stories behind the details that make a house a home.